She always knew there was something bigger, beating inside her chest. Not loud, not desperate, just steady, like a drum only she could hear. She is soft, the kind of soft that listens, the kind that forgives, the kind that waters broken things, and still blooms, anyway. But don't mistake her softness for silence. There is fire in her, too. A quiet flame that refuses to shrink. Just because the room is uncomfortable with her glow. She is sweetness, honey in her words, sunlight in her smile, gentle hands that hold the world like it's fragile. Yet inside her ribs lives a wildfire. She dreams in color. She loves in oceans. She aches for more than small rooms and half-hearted love. Her soul does not long for attention. It longs for expansion, for purpose that stretches her, for love that meets her depth, for a life that feels like breathing. Without apology, some nights she wonders if she is too much, too deep, too intense, too tender, too ambitious. But then she remembers the sky is both sunrise and storm. The earth is both soil and volcano. Why shouldn't she be? Soft and fire? She is not confused. She is layered. She is not lost. She is becoming, and one day, the world will meet her exactly as she is. A girl who believed she was more and became it.